10 bands, 50 bands, 100 bands, I swear, man. And I'm gonna teach you guys how to make these bands on, man. Anyways, I just got out of the gym right now, so yeah. Anyways, that was a good hour 30 of investment time. But anyways, look, you guys want to learn how to make these bands, right? But first we need to go to the bank and make a deposit because Facebook likes to play these games. So
5 minutes later.
All right, guys, so just, you know, a little example. This is bank number 1. You need to have 2 separate bank accounts for this dropshipping stuff to not get your stuff confused, because once you start mixing in your bank account with your business bank account, then everything's gonna go completely horribly wrong, and you don't want to do that. So I'm at bank number 1. I'm about to go make a deposit, and then I'm gonna go to bank number 2 to go make a deposit for the business account. And yeah, you guys are gonna come with me, so that's a little gem you guys should just write down right now real quick. I'll get back to you. This is what I was talking about by this morning. My bill date is the 14th, all right? It's the 14th, guys. Today is the 4th. I don't know why they're doing this, but hey, it happens, you know what I'm saying? And that's a part of the game. You guys just gotta make sure you have money to invest, and you won't get played like how I did this morning. So yeah. Said, you're talking way too much. You're talking way too much. Show me your stats. All right, $8,000. Here we go, guys. First week on Shopify. On your Facebook ads, you just got to know your market, who you're going to market to, and what you're going to market. And that's it. Literally, that's it. Okay. Now you guys want to know, what's the product that you sold to make all this money your first week? Boom. Right? Replica AirPods. That's it. I found some replica AirPods, and I knew some people can't afford AirPods, but everybody listens to music. So you put 2 and 2 together, boom, you got your money. You know what I'm saying? Now, okay, I wasn't consistent because I was working a job and I had so many orders. I was just frustrated and I stopped. And you're probably like, yo, you were making all this money and you stopped? Yes, I did, because I was brainwashed by working a job. And to be honest with you guys, I was a temp. I was working temps. I've been working temps for 3 years. I was just brainwashed into working. Nothing wrong with those people that are working a job. You got to do what you got to do to make your money. Wrong with those people that are working a job. You got to do what you got to do to make your money. You know what I'm saying? But I just found something and it dawned on me, and it was just on my shoulders and in the back of my head, like, yo, like, you found something and you're still going to work. And guess what happened? I got fired. I was there on time every day, doing overtime, putting in work, not complaining, nothing, and I got fired. But that was a sign. I learned, like, start drop shipping again. So I made a new store selling the same product. So I'm about to walk inside the house right now, and I'm about to show you guys my ads, and I'm about to just break it down on how you should start your way. And I'm about to be uploading more videos. So thank you to everyone. Tune in, like, share, comment, subscribe. Let's get it. Woo! There we go. Finally kick my ads back in, boy. So my Facebook ads just started kicking in. Already 11 people live on the store. So here we go. Cool. So we just got to the house. I just paid Facebook back. Thank you, Facebook, for the L that you gave me this morning. You know what I'm saying? My week has turned into 4 days. So thank you. But all right, so I just paid the Facebook. Okay. Now we're going to break it down. When you start your Shopify account, you have 14 days. So before you even start your account, I want you guys to take this into consideration. 1, go make yourself a bank account like I told you so you don't mix anything up. Okay. 2, go make yourself the PayPal account for the Shopify. 3, make the email for the Shopify. 4, make the Instagram account for the Shopify that you're going to be marketing. 5, make the Facebook page for the Shopify account that you're going to be marketing for Facebook. Cool? Okay, cool. I started a new store over the weekend. As I told you guys, Facebook gave me my L. Boom, boom. So let's get into my computer. We're about to start it up again. I'm about to show you guys the stats that I've been doing so far. And yeah, today's Monday. So this is it, guys. $483. This is what we made so far. And this right here is how much I spent so far on my ads. So right now we're doing good. We're doing numbers, you know what I'm saying? We're 12 purchases, 7 purchases, you know what I'm saying? Reach 14K, 773 checkouts, and 7 purchases down here. So right now our ads are doing good. We're reaching people, you know what I'm saying? We're getting it popping. They're all active now because, you know what I'm saying? Thank you, Facebook, for giving me the L this morning. But this is what we're doing, guys. I have no experience, and I'm about to just, you know, break it down to how you can get the same results. Boom. That's what I spent first, all right? This was before I stopped and all that stuff when I was working. This right here is what happened. You know what I'm saying? You got to be consistent, guys. You got to pay to play at the end of the day. Ooh, I'm not rapping. I just wanted to show you guys that so you're not like, oh, this guy is over here frauding the numbers. No, I made $8,000 my first week, and you've seen that's the total that I spent, but I didn't spend the 8K. Don't get it twisted, all right? I spent maybe 5. Now, some of you might not know, I do DJ, so at least the $3,000 right there was going towards my other marketing on DJing, but that's a whole different story, all right? So we got a new store, and then yeah, to break it down for you guys, basically, you want to know who's going to buy your product, okay? You want to know the age range of the people that are going to be buying your product, okay? And you want to know the common similarities between the people that are buying your product and your actual product itself. So, like how I did this brand new store over the weekend, and I'm going to do the AirPods again just to show you guys. We are going to find common interests between them and the product so we can get the ball rolling. So, hopefully, you guys will watch my next video, you know what I'm saying? Like, share, comment, subscribe. Said Stax is about to show you how to make a stack. In the next video, we're going to do product research. Let's get it.
Big money on me, nigga, I'ma run it up. Cause I remember I was broke and I ain't have enough. Now I'm fly, she like to back it up, no surprise.